made it to Switzerland. Fall colors are out. Look how pretty they are. I'm so excited to take a tour through the city and get on the water. There's so much water. I miss that, being in Arizona. Adventure starts now. This is my room at the EMA House Hotel, and it's like an apartment. It's kind of a cool feeling. And I'm in Switzerland. I'm in Zurich right now. It's got nice roomy couches. This is a big place. It's nice. I like it. Here we go in the bathroom. Interesting. And here's the shower. Nice and spacious, just how I like it. I try not to get the places with the bathtub showers. Those kind of drive me nuts. So here we go. Here we are. And that's my little kitchen there. I just got my first meal at the train station, and it was hella expensive. Oh my god, that right there was 26 Swiss francs, which is a lot. Like 26 bucks American. I mean, maybe a little bit. I don't even know. I'm confused. This is a whole new situation for me. A lot of people don't speak good English here, and it looks like they frown upon you a little bit if you don't know a little bit of Swiss. So we'll see how this goes. I'll report back on that sitch later. Gators. At the Emma House Hotel, they come and serve you breakfast in your room. It's awesome. There is fruit, muesli, cornflakes, cute little basket full of fun stuff in there. Quince, honey, basket of bread. Of course, bread in Europe is like pretty popular. I already ate some of my croissant. Enough said about that. 40 grams of fat in one croissant. But hey, I'm on vacation. It's okay. Bowl of fruit. Pretty delish. And then I already ate some of this, but there's some meat on here, like pastrami, and it looks like bologna. That's what we call it. And then a little bit of different cheeses here, especially Swiss cheese. Hello, when you're in Switzerland, get the real thing. It's, I don't know if it tastes different than in the U.S., but I like to think so. Okay. And a little cute little thing of milk here for the cereal and to put in my coffee. And I get my own carafe. Pretty spoiled here. I'm feeling it. I'm going to eat all this up, though. Yesterday, gone. The bread, I paced myself, but do I still got some definition? I think my abs are still there. I should check. Ooh, maybe it's a food baby time. I don't know. I'd be so fat if I lived here. Fat. But as long as you have your bicycle and you have your legs, you can walk around, you can stay pretty fit and eat this kind of a diet, I think. Being a bodybuilder, you can't eat like this all the time. When you're preparing for a show, you got to think lean. So a lot of stuff here is, you got to just watch the diet because there's a lot of fat and a lot of carbs, and typically a lot of bodybuilders follow a low carb diet when they're prepping for a show, and go high fat. That can work, but everybody has their own technique, and I'm just not used to eating like this. I eat egg whites, no fat usually. On the off season, I'll incorporate more carbs and lower my fats. And I'm kind of doing high fat, high carbs since I've been in Europe. I guess it's a good change up to the plan, which is sometimes good for the body for that. But just cut loose and enjoy life is is awesome. Yeah, I'm digging it pretty good here. So I'm gonna continue to chow down my food. Loving it. So on a whim, I decided to come into Lucerne and just wing it for the day. Just kind of figure out what I wanted to do when I got there. So I took an hour train and I'm here. I'm at the train station. I'm totally lost. I followed the sign that said tourist and it led me to this area here, like ATMs and ticket machines and info packets. But it's all in a language I absolutely do not understand. So maybe I should have planned first, but I'm gonna take a walk outside and look around, and you know, it never hurts to ask, and I've actually been very bold to ask because I don't like being lost. Sometimes it's good to be lost, other times it's probably not a good idea. Alright, here I go. I got me an apple strudel. It's delicious, very flaky. I don't know what they do, they put it in some kind of crust. And I'm having some coffee, of course. This goes best with the apple strudel. And now I'm gonna walk it off. So I'm gonna walk across the bridge behind me and see what's on the other side of the road. I'm sure it's going to be fun. It looks like an adventure. Everybody says, go to Lucerne. It's easy, it's a small town. This doesn't really look like a small place. It looks pretty big to me. To a local person, it's just a small town. To a foreigner, I feel a little lost, but that's okay. I'm gonna be comfortable with that. Birds are the same all around the world. They just want a little piece of your yummy goodness. All kinds of beggars over here. This is a really cool old bridge I'm walking across in downtown Lucerne. It goes across the river and there's dams everywhere. I think this bridge was built in the 12th century, but I'm gonna have to double check because this, oh wait, hold on. There's something written up there. I don't understand a thing here. I'm trying, but I think I need to do my homework more, but I'm seeing all kinds of cool shit. Let's see. Look at behind me. It's pretty badass. Really enjoying this excursion. It's a fun place to come. I'm glad I got out of Zurich and just took a train an hour to get here to Lucerne. I think I'm gonna go down these steps here by the water. It's nice and peaceful, and I'm not getting in people's way when I'm filming. Yeah, a very narrow stairway going up to the top of the tower in the Grossmünster Church. Whoa, more stairs. All stairs in these churches. Lots of stairs. There's a little room in here I found with like a model of the church. I like finding things like that. At the Grossmünster Church, I'm at the top of the tower looking down on the city. This is absolutely remarkable. There's the water. And then here we are looking down on the other side. Hopefully it's not too bright and you can see this. I can't see when I'm filming here, really. It's so bright. Beautiful day. Wow. This is breathtaking. You could stand here for a while. I'm out of breath. It was only 184 steps, I think, here. But the stairs are very steep getting up here. Alright. Okay, so this is a big difference witnessing Zurich from being in Milan. This is one of the squares where the popular church is next. The Frauenster is right next door. You would expect there to be tons of people, but it's not crowded with tourists in Zurich, which I'm happy to say, because I feel like people are more relaxed here and less, pushing you to get out of the way, and it's awesome. It feels good. And it's Thursday, so I think it's Thursday. I lost track. Okay, look at these guys are having a chess match over here. This is so cool. This could take a long time, I think. We probably shouldn't wait. Ricola.